Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update Listary on Windows in this complete 2026 guide. Keeping Listary updated is important because new versions include bug fixes, better performance, improved compatibility with Windows, and new features. Let's get started. First, open Listary on your computer. If the application is running, look for the Listary icon in the Windows system tray near the clock. Right-click the icon and open *settings* or preferences *, depending on your version of Listary. Next, look for an option such as *check for updates ***. If a new version is available, Listary will notify you. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update. If you don't see an update option, open your web browser and visit the official Listary website. Download the latest version of the installer for Windows. Once the download is complete, run the installer. In most cases, the installer will update your existing version automatically without removing your settings. During the installation process, follow the prompts and allow Windows permissions if requested. When the installation finishes, restart Listary to make sure the update is applied successfully. After reopening the application, you can verify that the update was installed by checking the version number in the About section of Listary settings. If you experience any issues after updating, simply restart your computer. If the problem continues, reinstall the latest version using the official installer. And that's how you can update Listary on Windows in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Windows guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.